Good day everyone! I am Juncel Kent C. Rivera and today we will be discussing tile setting, which is an important skill in construction involving the installation of tiles to create durable and attractive surfaces. It requires accuracy, the proper use of tools, and understanding the right material. In this report, I will guide you through the lesson objectives, the definition of tile setting, the equipment and materials used, and the safety measures we need to follow. To start, let us first look at the objectives of this lesson. For this lesson, we have three main objectives. First, identify the basic equipment and materials used in tile setting. Number 2, describe the functions and proper use of each equipment and material. And number 3, the last one, is to apply safety measures correctly when performing tile setting activities. Now that we know our goals, let's move on to understanding what tile setting really is. What is tile setting? Tile setting is the process of installing tiles on floors or walls. It improves the beauty and durability of a surface and requires precision, the right tools, and proper preparation. A skilled tile setter makes sure tiles are aligned, evenly spaced, and securely placed for a clean and professional finish. After understanding its purpose, let us now explore the equipment and materials used in tile setting. The first one is tiles. Of course, tiles are the main materials used in tile setting. They enhance both decoration and protection of surfaces. Tiles come in many types: the ceramic, porcelain, marble, and more, each chosen based on durability, appearance, and design requirements. Selecting the right tile is important because it affects how long the installation will last. And the next one is tile cutter. A tile cutter is used to trim tiles into specific shapes and sizes so that they can fit in corners, edges, and tighter spaces. Manual cutters core and snap tiles, while electric wet saws use water to cool the blade and reduce dust. Proper cutting ensures that tiles fit smoothly and match the layout without gaps or uneven edges. The third one is a trowel. A trowel spreads adhesive on the surface where tiles will be placed. Most trowels have notched edges that help control how much adhesive is applied. These notches create ridges to ensure the tile bonds properly to the surface. Using a trowel correctly helps avoid loose or uneven tiles. The fourth one is the tile spacers. Tile spacers are small, plastic tools that ensure equal spacing between tiles. They help keep the alignment straight and consistent. Different sizes of spacers are used depending on the design. Smaller gaps for a smooth look and wider gaps for a more patterned style. And the fifth one is grout. Grout is the material used to fill the spaces between installed tiles. It seals the gaps to prevent moisture, dirt, or bacteria from entering. Grout also strengthens the overall tile layout. There are different types of grout, such as sanded, unsanded, and epoxy grout, each used for different tile types. And the last one is rubber mallet. A rubber mallet is used to gently tap tiles into place. Unlike a metal hammer, it won't crack or damage the tiles. The mallet ensures that tiles sit evenly on the adhesive. which is important for both safety and appearance. Now that we have discussed the tools and materials in detail, we must also understand how to work safely. Let us now proceed to the safety measures. Here are the safety measures that we need to do when doing the tile setting. The first one is wear gloves and goggles. Gloves protect our hands from sharp tile edges and chemicals in adhesive, while goggles protect our eyes from flying debris and dust during cutting. The second one is clean tools after use. Adhesive and grout dry quickly and can ruin tools if not cleaned right away. Clean tools allow for smoother work and prevent contamination of materials. The third one is avoid inhaling dust. Tile dust is harmful when inhaled. Workers should wear masks or use wet cutting tools, which help minimize dust. It is also important to work in open or well-ventilated areas. The fourth one is handle sharp tools properly. Tile cutters and blades must be used carefully. Always keep hands away from cutting edges and store sharp tools safely to prevent injuries. And the last one, and the most important, is maintain a clean working area. A tidy workspace prevents accidents such as tripping, slipping, or dropping tools. Keeping the area organized helps ensure proper tile alignment and efficient workflow. And those are the 5 safety measures that we need to follow to ensure a proper, organized, and safe working areas. In conclusion, tile setting is a skill that enhances both the function and design of homes and buildings. With the right tools, materials, and techniques, tile setters can create strong and beautiful surfaces. Understanding how each tool works, using materials properly, and strictly following safety measures are essential to producing high-quality tile installation. Before I officially end my report, I want to express my gratitude for your time and attention. Tile setting may seem like a simple task at first, but through our discussion, I hope you were able to see that it requires proper knowledge, the right materials, and strict safety practices to achieve quality results. Understanding each tool, knowing the proper techniques, and applying safety measures are essential for producing durable and visually appealing tile installations. Whether for homes, buildings, or any construction project, tile setting plays an important role in both function and design. I hope this presentation helped you appreciate the process and importance of tile setting even more. Thank you once again for listening and for being attentive throughout the discussion. This concludes my report and I appreciate your participation. Once again, I'm Juncel Kenzie Rivera. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye!